The two things stopping the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro from becoming one of the best Android phones in the market are the under-display fingerprint scanner and the software. Last year, these were two of my biggest gripes with the Pixel 6 series. This year, I hope that's not the case. Although the fingerprint scanner on the Pixel 6 series has improved after a few software updates, but this was most likely a hardware issue and not a software one. I think I am having a brain fart because I thought I had seen or heard Google address the fact that they will be using an improved sensor in the Pixel 7 series, but I haven't been able to find any articles to corroborate that. Maybe it was for the Pixel 6a. Nonetheless, a faster and reliable fingerprint scanner is a dire need for the Pixel 7 series. Other manufacturers like OnePlus and Samsung have mastered this technique, while it looks like Google is just playing catch-up. Google could even include a 3D face unlock with its front camera for even more convenience. Now, there were rumors of the Pixel 6 Pro getting this via a software update, but that actually never happened. I will most definitely make a video comparing the sensor speed of the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 7, so be sure to subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss it. Moving on to the other big issue, which is software. Prior to the release of the Pixel 6 series, Google had been known to churn out reliable software updates with its new Pixel phones. Now that changed when the Pixel 6 series launched last year, which had a really buggy release. Even in my Pixel 6 Pro review, I found a few glaring flaws in the software. This was also evident when the biggest tech YouTuber MKBHD made a video about why he was not using the Pixel 6 Pro as his daily driver anymore. I'm sure this video must have hurt the Pixel series reputation pretty badly, hence Google cannot afford another situation like this at all. Yes, the updates after the release have made the Pixel 6 into a more stable phone, but consumers look at the initial reviews a lot more when buying a phone instead of later. Android 13 so far looks stable, and maybe Google has learned its lessons from the release of the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. But what do you think? Are you excited for the launch of the Pixel 7 series, or has the interest died down since the Pixel 6 launch? Whatever the case, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.